Most of the MEP system we can say the chill water supply, hot water and cold water supply, drainage system, firefighting system, LPG gas system. For these all MEP system, the majority of the measurement works are the pipe works. Now I am going to share two different pipe works drawing, and as a technical MEP quantity surveyor, how we can manage these drawing during our quantity takeoff time and BOQ preparation. So the first one is the firefighting related drawing. So you can see here there's a red color, the ERV black steel pipe, and also there is some sprinkler system. So the second one is the hot water and cold water supply for the plumbing system. So these are the two different pipe networks. Now I am going to discuss a very important one point. Before start this discussion, I always remember the pipe work measurement in the POMI. Yes, we know the section Q is the mechanical engineering installation. Under this main section there is another subsection Q2. Q2 is the pipe work and cutter work measurement rule. So we have to remember this thing always. Alright, so now I am going to compare the pipe diameter notation from these two different drawings. So let's start from this. You can see here there's a pipe diameter notation. They mention like this. So 65 diameter, the pipe diameter is 65. And also you can see here there's a 25 diameters, and there's a 50 diameter, and there is a 50, 25, 65. So we can easily identify the pipe diameters based on this notation. Okay, there is no more any complication. The another drawing, the pipe notation, it's look like a little bit different to compare with our first one, the firefighting system. So you can see here they mention like this. These are the pipes, the hot water and cold water supply in the plumbing system. So the blue color indicates the cold water supply, the red color indicate the hot water supply. So they provide like this, they mention like this circle, and this the line indicate the pipe notation. So 25 diameter cold water supply mean the blue color is 25 diameter cold water supply. Another pipe is 25 diameter PPR hot water supply. HWS mean hot water supply. So they mention like this, but this entire pipe network it's look like a same diameter something, but the confusion is you can see here they provide the notation in this point 25, but they provide another notation from this point. You can see here they mention 32 diameter cold water supply, 40 diameter hot water supply. So this is a complicated point. Now we identify the two different diameter in the same pipe network. So generally the pipe diameter changing point from the fittings. If you zoom this pipe diagram, you can find out the reducing T here. So from this reducing T, the right side the pipe diameter is 25. The left side pipe diameter is 32. Now we identified the 32 diameter pipe starting point from this reducing T. You can see here the pipe network it's going through this direction, and also we can find out another pipe notation. It mentioned the 40 diameter cold water supply, 40 diameter hot water supply. So again the pipe diameter is changed. Now we have to search where's the 40 diameter changing point. So we already identified the 32 diameter starting from this point, and also we can see there's another notation 40 diameter cold water supply. So this pipe is its network it's going through this direction and bending left side. So we have to confirm this entire pipe network, the blue color entire pipe network, it's the 40 diameter. So another conclusion is the 32 diameter, the ending point from this reducing T2 up to this reducing T. So this is only 32 diameter. In this pipe 40 diameter. So in this hot water and cold water supply drawing pipe identification based on the diameter notation, it's a little bit complicated compared with our first one, the firefighting system. So in the firefighting drawing we can easily identify the pipe diameter changing point. So I will show here. You can see in this portion there are various diameter pipes are available, 25, 32, 50 diameter, 65 diameter, again 25 diameter, and you can see here the pipe network there are two different diameters, 25 and 32. Generally the pipe diameter is changing point should be from the fittings. So you can see there is a reducer, so from the reducer the pipe diameter is changed. And also you can see there is a 32 diameter here, then the pipe laying through this direction, and also they very clearly indicate this pipe also 32. So there is another reducer, then the pipe diameter is changed to 50 diameter. So in this drawing we can easily identify the pipes based on the clear notation. So I just trying to explain the notation complexity in the two different drawings, but the item is same.